Hi, I'm Sean Duggan, and I want to tell you about my one-day workshop that's all about creating collage and composite images on iPhones and iPads. In this class, I'll be covering step-by-step workflows for combining images in a variety of apps, and I'll be sharing techniques and conceptual approaches for using your iPhone or iPad to make interesting and visually compelling images from multiple source photos. We'll start with simple composites that are based on image mirroring techniques, as well as in-camera double exposures and double exposure effects created with blending modes and opacity. And then we'll work up to more intricate methods that include using multiple layers and layer masks. Along the way, we'll explore how to recognize what types of photos will work well in a composite, and how to photograph a scene or a subject so that the compositing process will be easier. I'll cover overall and local image adjustments so that the photos from different sources will work better when they're combined. We'll also take a look at retouching possibilities on the iPhone or iPad for object removal, and explore using special effects apps to apply radical image transformations or to create collages that have a more graphic or illustrative quality. And once you have the images combined the way you want, we'll take a look at using tonal, color, texture, and blurring treatments to tie everything together with a unified look and feel. I love to create composite images on my iPhone or iPad simply because I can. It's a different creative process than working in Photoshop on my computer, and the fact that I can do it wherever I happen to be is a big plus. I'm looking forward to sharing my concepts and techniques with you so that you can take advantage of the cool and creative possibilities in your own pocket-sized imaging studio.